Definitely my favorite experience was the okonomiyaki experience. I know that was day one.
We're at the Culinary Institute, and today we looked at a lot of the kitchens.
We took a tour of the campus, got to see a lot of the different specializations.
So I'm walking into the store and there are just knives everywhere. It's just this massive spectacle.
Oh my gosh, knife heaven. There's like a million knives. So we're going to a location where they make special donabes, which is it's a pot where you can actually like make gohan, like rice specialties.
So my favorite experience of this trip was really going to the Nara temple and seeing the deers.
Yeah, this is so awesome. I'm really happy that I did this whole concentration now too.
My favorite experience was probably going to the tea fields, being able to actually see the tea that was grown and how that was processed into the tea that we drink.
Yeah, so right now we're at Mori Wakuden in Kyoto. This place started out as a small little inn in 1870s. Very seasonal items.
The minute you walk into the vinegar distillery, it's just like this overwhelming smell of vinegar.
Oh, that's strong.
My favorite food memory would have to be the tamaki dinner. That was a lot of fun. I loved having the little pouch of seaweed to carry around and just throw whatever I wanted in it. I think that was fantastic.
Yeah, I would say I think Suntory was probably my favorite experience of this entire time, specifically Suntory and the Amazaki. It's so much fun. It's fun. That's the only way to describe it. It's fun.
So currently our company was founded in 1637, so we're almost 400 years old, and we're one of the oldest sake breweries in Japan. So the students are now right here, they're trying the different types of sake.
1716年だから300年前なんですけども、
This is probably my favorite meal already that we've had on the trip. All the different ingredients are absolutely incredible. They're all delicious.
I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, it just smells like street food and grease and fresh sushi.
My favorite experience was the sushi dinner. It was really entertaining, and I had a lot of fun with my friends.
3、2、1、それ。
Held on for so long.
Outstanding.
So we're in Tsukiji Market in Tokyo, a very famous fish market. Walking through some of the food stalls here.
But just being able to hear more in depth about like the mastery of each specific technique, like tempura, udon making, soba making.
My favorite dish ever is unagi, so I think I'll be having a good time tonight.